How to make a scrunchie with the 717 sewing machine. Materials: 75 cm by 14 cm fabric strip, an 18 cm elastic band, an elastic threader, 1 scissor. Steps: fold the fabric. Fold the long fabric strip with the wrong sides together, width to width, leaving a 1 cm seam allowance. Press and fold. After sewing, press open the seam and then fold the fabric inward twice at positions 1 and 2, and fold the fabric at position 3 over the top. Sew the folds. Sew along the folded edges to secure the folds in place. Release the fabric. As you sew, gradually release the folded fabric from within, leaving a small gap at the end for inserting the elastic band. Turn right side out. Turn the fabric right side out through the gap, and use the elastic threader to thread the elastic band through the tube. Secure the elastic. Tie a knot at both ends of the elastic band, and then sew the gap in the fabric shut. Your scrunchie is now complete.